Hi there and welcome to ZDNET. Today, I want to share with you a little bit about the Level Lock Plus and my experience with it, especially with Apple HomeKey. Okay, so if you use Apple HomeKit, or honestly, if you just have an iPhone, this is the best smart lock that you can find. I have tried so many smart locks, and honestly, this is the one I think I'm gonna keep for now, and that might have something to do with the fact that I struggled a lot getting it on my door. When I started setting up my Level Lock Plus, I realized the strike plate was actually a lot thicker than the ones that came with the Yale Assure locks that I had tried previously. And so I did have to chisel out a little bit of my door and my door frame.
Make it work. Go, go, go. Do it.
The lock itself, however, was easy to install and it's worked reliably since. It's quick to respond and it's super compact. Even the battery is tucked away in a really cool way. The Level Lock Plus, I feel, is a home run for any Apple Home ecosystem or even your standard iPhone user that wants to use Apple HomeKey. So what is Apple HomeKey? HomeKey is a feature that allows iPhone users to unlock their door using NFC technology. This means that simply holding your iPhone or your Apple Watch up to your Level Lock Plus will unlock it. Apple HomeKey only works with iPhone XS or newer, running iOS 15 or later, and the Apple Watch Series 4 or newer with watchOS 8 or later. Now here are some things that you can use when you set up Apple HomeKey. You can set it up with express mode, meaning that you don't even have to unlock your iPhone to open your door. So just holding up your phone or your Apple Watch to your Level Lock Plus will get it unlocked. Or if you want to add an extra layer of security, then you can simply set it up where you have to unlock your iPhone with your passcoded Face ID and then hold it up to the Level Lock Plus to unlock your door. I've used my Level Lock with the Level app and with Apple HomeKit, and I gotta say it hasn't been the most reliable using it through HomeKit, but honestly that's always been a thing with a lot of the smart devices that I add on HomeKit, which can be a little frustrating. It always takes a few seconds to load at least. Sometimes it doesn't load at all. But I found it to be very reliable with the Level Home app, so I still love my Level Lock Plus. It's the smallest smart lock I've ever tried, and I love that it only looks like a deadbolt from the inside and out, which is perfect if you're renting and can't really change out your deadbolt, or if you want to maintain a certain aesthetic in your front door. And Level Lock even sells the smart module, so you can just replace the inner deadbolt mechanism and keep your existing lock, for example. Now, other smart locks from Level Lock don't feature Apple HomeKey, so if you do want to use HomeKey, you want to make sure to get the Level Lock Plus. And obviously, if you're using a different smart home platform other than Apple HomeKit, or if you don't have an iPhone, or even if you're not interested in using Apple HomeKey, then I would probably go with a different smart lock. Let me know what you think about this smart lock in the comments, and as always, thank you so much for watching.